Hi, this is Gareth again with a quick look at the freshwater system in your Dynamax coach. Now there are two freshwater sources. The first is your onboard water tank for when you are dry camping. Now to be sure that your freshwater tank is full, first make sure there is no pressure in the lines. Then turn the dial on your freshwater connection panel to tank fill. Now you can connect the exterior source water hose to the freshwater connection inlet and turn on the water supply to start filling the tank. We also recommend that you use a water pressure regulator between the hose and the spigot. Do not leave the tank unattended or serious damage can occur. Monitor the tank sensors. If water overflows the overflow vent, turn off the water immediately. You can empty any excess water using the low point drains. Now just turn your freshwater connection panel valve back to dry camping and then turn on your 12-volt water pump and you are ready to go. The second water source is city water, which would be used when accessible at certain campsites. Again, begin by making sure there is no pressure in the lines and verify that the low point drains are also closed. Then turn the valve on your freshwater connection panel to city water. Make sure the 12-volt onboard pump is off because water pressure is provided by the hose connection. Again, it is recommended that you have a pressure regulator at the campsite spigot to make sure the water pressure is not too high. Now connect the city water hose to the freshwater connection inlet and turn on the clean water supply, and you're now able to run city water in your RV. Now I have some troubleshooting tips. If water is coming out of the Truma water heater, then your pressure is likely too high. Also note, if you are connected to city water and your water tank is filling up, it is likely that the water pressure is too high and the tank is backfilling through the water pump. If you have a pressure regulator and the water tank is still filling when on city water, you may have a faulty water pump. Sometimes by disconnecting the hose and running off the pump, you can reset the water pump. If you cannot stop the tank from overfilling while on city water, it is recommended that you turn off the source and operate off the pump until you can have it serviced by a dealer.